Hello friends, my name is Shivangi and this is my channel Indian. Guys, I am representing a private limited company. Actually, we are providing online as well as offline IELTS coaching classes as well as spoken English classes to the students. And along with that, we are also assisting students and people who are willing to go to abroad for study purpose, for PR, for work visas, and or for traveling purpose. So if you have any query related to that, you may contact us, you can call us, you can write to us on our email ID, and our contact details are mentioned in the description section. So you can have a look, and if you feel like contacting us, you can contact us with your query. So guys, today in this video I am going to talk about all those people who are willing to go to Canada, but they are somewhere facing difficulty in scoring IELTS score, because IELTS has become a very difficult thing to get through, because there are so many of us who are having an ample experience but still they don't get that band score, and because of that they are not eligible for applying their PR or for getting their one of my previous videos I have discussed about this website, CIC website, where you can see about various options which are given to you by the Canadian government. And there you will also come to know about certain new programs which are on the daily basis they are updating those programs. So today we are going to discuss about one of the programs in which if you are involved in any childcare job, in any job related to childcare, or if you are involved in any job related to trade categories like technician, like plumber, electrician, carpenter, driver. So you have this good chance, this golden opportunity that you can apply for your work visa, and I'll take you through this tour of mine in which I'm going to tell you about that. What are the band requirements for that, what is the job, like what is the qualification required for that, how much work experience you need to show if you want to apply under that criteria. So friends, here we go. You can see that I have opened this web page, www.cic.gc.ca. Whenever you will click on this link, you will come across this page, and here you can see that they have mentioned two languages, English and French. But now we have to browse in English language, so we are going to click on this English. So now it will take us to another web page. Let's wait. So here you can see on the right side they have mentioned hire foreign workers or immigrate to Atlantic Canada through the Atlantic Immigration Pilot. So this is a program I want to discuss with you. Here you can see that what is pilot program. Guys, pilot program is a program in which when employer they were not able to hire candidates, qualified candidates from their country, so they are now hiring them from overseas, from other countries apart from their own country. So in this they have come up with these three categories, these three sub programs under this. You can see first is Atlantic International Graduate Program. If we talk about this program, in this program only those candidates will be qualified or will qualify for this program who have already stayed in that province for at least 16 months. So since you are applying from some other country, so you are not eligible for this program. So we can see the second one is Atlantic High Skill Program. Atlantic High Skill Program is for the NOC code O, A or B. In this program, if you are a restaurant manager, chef, or if you are involved in any job that is managerial jobs, then you can apply under this program. And the third one is Atlantic Intermediate Skill Program. This is for the people who are involved in any sort of nursing job, like females who are working here as a nurse, or who are taking care of children, like child care, or if there is a person who is enrolled in or who is in like a part of a job like technician, plumber, carpenter, driver, so they can apply under this third category. So guys, let me tell you one thing, that what is required for these two categories which I have spoke about. The first one is Atlantic High Skill Program and the other is in Atlantic Intermediate Skill Program. The foremost thing is that you need to apply for a job offer first of all, because once you have your job offer with you, only then you can move further with the other requirements. See, so first of all, you have to apply for job offer, and for job offer you need to approach any employer who is hiring people from other country. So make sure whenever you are approaching any employer, you should be very, very particular about that, because there are so many employers who are issuing you some fake job offers as well. So they are charging a huge amount against that. So you should be very, very cautious about
your
that.
Second requirement is IELTS. CLB 4 is required in these two in this program. If you are struggling with high band score, like you are not able to get that required band score, that is the predominant requirement of express entry, then you can you have fair chances of your getting PR in under this category, because in this you need to have only CLB 4, that is each 4, and in listening or reading you can have 3.5 even. So this was all about IELTS or whatever English language proficiency test you are preparing for. And after that, now the third thing is that you have to provide them proof of funds. In proof of funds, I can show you that what are the requirements. Like if you are going for if you are having a family of 4 members, then for each member you have to show that you have 3,000 at least 3,000 Canadian dollar in your account against a person. I'm talking about a person. So if there are 4 people, then you have to show them 3,240 into 4. So that is the total saving money you should have in your account. That is the total money that have to be there in your saving account. So you can see I have enclosed the calculation. I have enclosed the amount, the number of family members and funds required in this clip. You can see and you can check it by yourself while by checking on this. And now, what is the education requirement in this program? You should have bachelor's from any university or any college. If you have done your bachelor's from Canada, then you need not to provide them any ECA report. If you have done your bachelor's from any other country apart from Canada, then you have to provide them with this educational credential assessment report. This is known as ECA report, which will be given to you by organizations such as WES, World Education Society, and there are some other organizations who are also providing you this ECA report. And this ECA report is valid for 5 years. So as far as work experience is concerned, you have to be working from last 1 year, and at least you should have worked for 1560 hours. So while preparing for that document which will show your work experience, you can see in this website I can show you that how can you calculate your working hours. This way you can calculate it by yourself and you can see whether you are eligible for that. And you can check your NOC code. What is the NOC code? NOC code is National Occupational Classification. You have to check which NOC code you come under. Like there are so many NOC code, and you one thing you need to keep in mind that your NOC code should have to be either of level
Guys,
O,
that was all
A
about
or
today's
B.
video. If you have any query related to this, you can ask us by either contacting us on our phone number, by calling us, or by writing your query on our email ID. If you have any query related to this video, you can even put that in the comment section so that we can address your query in the upcoming videos of us. And if you have any doubt about the work experience, about the qualification required, you can also write to us, or you can send us your CV so that we can guide you according to that. So that was all about today's video. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it so that whenever we come up with any new content, you will get informed about that. And if you feel like sharing this information with your friends, then you may share that information, and please don't forget to like the video if you find this content relevant. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.